Hello. Today I'm going to walk you through Adobe Document Generation API. There are a lot of documents where data needs to be merged. For example, if you're creating offer letters, contracts, invoices, statement of work, proposals, then you not only need to create PDF, but you want to format and merge data into the document form. Adobe DocGen API is a cloud-based service that allows you to design and create document templates in Microsoft Word and dynamically generate documents that output as PDF or Microsoft Doc format. When document is sent to be generated, JSON data and template are passed to Adobe DocGen APIs and it returns a PDF or Word file. Template creation is done by a developer, whether through a code or through complex tools, which means if any changes require, then it needs to go through a developer cycle. Let's have a quick look on how Adobe DocGen Tagger can help you to overcome this challenge. Adobe DocGen Tagger is an add-on for Microsoft Word that allows you to easily tag your documents. You can import the JSON data and select where you want the tags to be placed. For this demo, I'm going to create the offer letter template where I need to generate and place tags. I have my JSON data, which looks pretty simple, like employee's first name, last name, email, manager, salary, bonus, and so on. All I need to do is to copy this JSON data and place it here and click on Generate Tag. I will place my cursor and search for the tag first name and click on Place Tag. Similarly, I will place other tags in this offer letter. If I go to the Advanced tab, I see other options like I can add tags for the images. Any image in your document can dynamically change based on your data. I can add tables and lists and numerical calculations. Suppose I want this text to appear if a certain condition is met. I will select this text and go to the Conditional tab and choose the record as job.bonus. I'll choose the operator as not equal to and give it a value as 0 and click on Insert Condition. Similarly, I want to place the signature field. All I need to do is go to this Adobe Sign tab, specify the number of recipient, select the signer, and select the field type and click on Insert Adobe Sign Text tab. Now let's have a look on the key features. Simple and easy template creation. Support complex dataset. DocGen APIs accept your data structure. You do not have to spend time to refactoring your data. It means arrays, nested objects, data text are supported and can be mapped in a template. Text tags. Text can be merged wherever a tag is placed. Image tag. Any image in your document can dynamically change based on your data. Conditional text. You can define conditions when a certain value is true. You can add numerical calculations, tables and lists, and Adobe Sign tag. Templates can easily created using Microsoft Word doc, and there is an easy tagging tool so that the designers of the document do not need to write any code.